This is the Bosch Professional GSA 18 volt by 28 recip saw. Now this saw is powerful using Bosch's Biturbo technology. If you pair it with a Procore 18 volt battery, you get the equivalent output of a 1100 watt corded tool. And up front, the blade holder's got a snap-in function, so one-handed you can both insert and eject blades, which I really like. And on top of the straight cut mode, you've got an orbital action cutting mode as well, which is great for faster cutting when doing demolition and in wood. And you'll notice it's got a lot of rubberization on the grips everywhere you touch the tool. It's also got a really ergonomic shape as well. It's great to hold. And when you're using it, you really notice there's minimal vibration transferring to you, the user, as well, which is great for prolonged use. You got a variable speed trigger, so there's loads of control in terms of the speed, with a max speed of 2,900 strokes per minute, and each of those strokes is 28 millimeters long, so she really cuts quite quickly. And you can pick this saw up with a 6-year warranty as a bare tool, or it comes in our exclusive 7-piece kit from Bosch in the Bosch aisle, so make sure you check it out at your local Cindy Tools store today, or go online to cindytools.com.au for more information on this tool. You can also hit me up with any questions in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim, and thanks for watching Cindy Tools TV.